Hey guys, it's Tours and Play. Today we're going to be showing you the Chelsea Clubhouse Playset. So we obviously have Chelsea with us today who will be helping us with this tour. So let's begin.
Hey guys, it's Chelsea and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my clubhouse. Let's start outside. Outside I've got my beautiful light pink table with some white legs on it. And I've also got two reddy pinkish coloured chairs. On top of my light pink table, I've got two bowls full of vanilla ice cream and they have 3 scoops in them. And I've also got 2 juice boxes. Then if you move the table, we'll start on the inside. Inside I've got my fridge, my purple fridge, and it's got a tray inside of it. And then next to that I've got my sink, and I've got my matching purple oven that also has a tray inside of it. On top of the oven I have my stove. On top of that then I've got my stove, and on top of my stove I've got my yellow saucepan. And right over here I've got my pink door that has some polka dots on it. Now here comes my favourite part. This is a reddy pinkish basket and I've got my purple teddy bear sitting in it. And the cool thing is that it's connected to this lift. I've got a pink platform with some white fences. So all I have to do is sorry guys, after that little incident, let me show you how the lift works. All I have to do is I'll just push the basket down and then I can get up to my room. Over here I've got a nice flag with my teddy bear on it, and it's got some yellow and red dots on it. And over here I've got my sofa bed and it has some nice purple sheets and a turquoise headboard. Behind my bed I've got my hamper and I've also got a camera and some luggage. On the back I've got a little table with another teddy bear, a little drawing that I drew, a light that is a C shape for Chelsea, and I've also got some books and colouring pencils.
So guys, that was the inside of Chelsea's clubhouse. Now we'll be showing you the outside. So this is the door side. As you can see, it's a very nice like light sky blue color with a pink door. And the door has like 2 ways to open. So you can open like this, and then it can open like from here as well. So this whole thing can open if you want bigger space. This is the back of the playset. and then this side, the left side. And yeah.
So guys, thank you guys for watching this tour. Hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.